Hey, what's up guys, this is Sai back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you the Zebronics Zeb VR headset. Let's get started. Hello friends, this is the Zebronics Zeb VR virtual reality headset. I am unboxing it now. Let's remove from its package. I'm removing it, and this is the overall VR headset. It's named Zebronics, and down it's always ahead. It has a nice build quality, the best VR you can get under 1000 rupees. It has nice design look and many more. You can open the VR like this by keeping your hand and drag it. It has nice magnet to hold it properly without any disturbances, without falling your phone. This is the magnet trigger to switch over the options. That games where in a few moments we'll play some games. This is the head strap. It is made up of resin. You can keep on your head for virtual reality content. Open the VR headset and take your mobile and switch it on and open any VR application. I'll open the Google Cardboard application. You can do the verification with the QR code. I'll open this cardboard camera app. In that we can see some photos, nice photos, and click on that orange color VR button. Click on that and place your phone on the VR like this and close it with the stopper given on it and place it on your head and see the virtual reality content. This is the best VR you can get under 1000 years. You can see in all the ways, the 360 ways and everything. You can buy at this amazon.in. I'll give the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Hope you